Today I will demonstrate how I prepare a delightful Jasmine Green Tea Latte. To begin, I will fill the bottom of the chamber of my mocha pot with water up to the safety valve. Next, fill the funnel basket with the loose tea, making sure not to compact or press the tea leaves in. And I'm only using 2 teaspoons of loose tea leaves. I don't believe you need anything more because you're going to get a good payout of flavor from just the 2 teaspoons. Next, I will screw together the top and bottom pieces securely. And I just typically set it to like a medium-low heat and allow it to take its time to brew. And as you can see, the tea is done. And it's a beautiful green color. And this tea is really good. So I'm going to remove it from the heat and I'm going to set it aside. And I'm going to work on my whipped cream topping. So I'm going to start off with some heavy cream. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of spirulina. I'm just going to use this specifically for the color, just to jazz it up a little bit, to have a blue sweet cream foam topping. And I'm adding my sugar-free vanilla syrup, a couple pumps. You can add more or however much you like. I do about 2 pumps. And I'll take my frother and just go ahead and froth everything together, mix everything together, and you will get a beautiful blue sweet cream foam. The longer you froth it, the thicker it will get, and if you frothed it for too long, it will turn into like a whipped cream. So I'm not going to froth it too much. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put some syrup into my cup. I did about 2 pumps of my sugar-free vanilla, and then I'm going to add some ice. And I like a lot of ice, so I do typically about 2 scoops because you want it cold. The tea is still kind of warm. It's a little bit warm, so the more ice, the better. I'm going to add some coconut milk. Now I'm pouring over my jasmine tea. And it does look like matcha, but it's jasmine tea. It doesn't taste anything like matcha. Actually, the jasmine green tea tastes a lot better than matcha, if you ask me. And now I'm going to cap it off with this silky blue sweet cream foam. The color payout on this is just so beautiful to me. It's very pretty. So, and then that's it. You have your green jasmine tea latte with the blue sweet cream foam topping. Enjoy.